So hello gemstone lovers, welcome back to Shiv Parvati Gems. And I have been receiving many complaints from outside the India and southern part of India itself that they are not able to understand my language. That is because I make most of my videos in Hindi language. I am gonna continue making videos in Hindi, but this video is gonna be in English language, and so that everyone can understand better that what am I talking about. So in this video I will be explaining how to identify Pukhraj gemstone. I have made this video in Hindi. If you want to see this in Hindi, you can click the link above and you can watch the video. So let's start, and I will explain you multiple ways to identify yellow sapphire with just your naked eyes. You don't need any lab because 10 years 15 years back there was no lab. There was not much awareness about labs. People used to, even gemstone dealers used to identify with their own eyes. So I have a legacy business of 35 years and I know how to identify just with the naked eye, and I'm gonna tell you how to identify yellow sapphire with your naked eyes. So let's start. So the first test is color test. I'm gonna show you two pieces in which I'm gonna show you the color. Basically the thing is, yellow sapphire typically range from yellow to deep golden yellow, but they are free from any brownish tinge. There will be no tinge of brownish, no shade of brownish. So if you see color like this color Pukhraj, then you can identify this color yellow sapphire have a brownish tinge. So this is heated, this is not natural. This you can term it as a synthetic one or a Bangkok sapphire. You don't have to buy Bangkok sapphire if you want astrological benefits or a natural yellow sapphire. Now I am keeping yellow sapphire besides it. See, this is natural yellow sapphire. It will be rich yellow in color, vibrant yellow in color, light yellow in color. See, light yellow, different types of natural sapphires, but cannot have brownish tinge. If it contains brownish tinge, then it is 100% heated. So this was the first test of color. The second test is very interesting. The second test is scratch test. This is not a natural yellow sapphire, so I am going to scratch on this, put a scratch on this, and the identification of natural yellow sapphire is, it is very hard. Now you can see I am trying to scratch this and see there is a scratch on surface. If there is a scratch on surface, then it is not a natural yellow sapphire. There can be a scratch naturally, but if you try to scratch on the surface with a hard thing or even with your nail, if the scratch suddenly appears, then it is not a natural piece. See, this is natural yellow sapphire, light yellow color. See, now I am trying to scratch the piece very hard with same hardness. There is no scratch. So the next test is density test. The natural yellow sapphire are typically dense than the fake ones or those with the substitute of yellow sapphires. Synthetic yellow sapphires or heated treated yellow sapphires or citrines, they are less dense. So how I am explaining this is, I am going to show you two pieces. This is 10 carat yellow sapphire. See, this is 10 carat yellow sapphire and this is 10 carat synthetic stone. See, this stone will look bigger and this stone will look smaller with naked eyes, but the weight is exactly same. So this is a very good test that yellow sapphires look small but they weigh large. Like this is a 10 carat stone but it looks small. This is also a 10 carat stone but this looks large. That means this is not a natural yellow sapphire because it is looking bigger than its weight, and this is natural yellow sapphire because it is looking similar to its weight. So this was the explanation of weight. So these are the three tests. The fourth test is after you buy yellow sapphire or you take approval from the seller, whoever from you are buying. So the fourth test is sun test, for testing if the stone is heated or non-heated. If there is any heat, if you put the stone in steel plate and then put it in the direct sunlight in the afternoon, then the stone will lose its color. If the color is gone, then the stone is not natural. It means that the stone was heated. That's why the heated color goes away in natural sunlight. So this was the fourth test. These are the four tests that will confirm that if the stone is natural or not. These are very effective, and even in Sri Lanka where the stones come from, they perform these tests only. Even if the sapphire is very costly, they perform these tests only. They don't trust on lab, trust on these ways to identify yellow sapphire. My only motive is that you buy a genuine yellow sapphire so that you trust more about its astrological benefits as well. And if you want to buy a natural yellow sapphire of good quality, natural 100% gem tested certified, then you can contact Shiv Parvati Gems. The number is on the screen. You can call or WhatsApp on this number or directly buy from our website. Thank you so much for watching my video.